Hello everyone! Welcome to my math tutorial. So before we start, let me introduce myself. So by the way, I am Regner Camargo Caseo, and I am your first year student of BSN Mathematics 1A. Our lesson for today is all about multiplying fractions or rational numbers. So in getting the answer of multiplying fractions or rational numbers, we have 3 steps to follow. So our step 1 is multiply by numerators. For example, we have a fraction here which is the 3/4. Our numerator here is the number 3. Then the second step is multiply the denominators. So sa the fraction of 3/4, our denominators here is the number 4. Denominator. Our last step is we're going to express our final answer in the lowest term. So we have 4 equations here. So let's solve the number 1. So our first step is to multiply the numerators. So 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Then 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So 3/10 is our final answer. And so we have equation number 1. So number 2. 6 times 1/2. So since our equation here is the whole number, first we have to do is we're going to put the imaginary 1 to the denominator of 6 para maging fraction siya. So it should be 6/1 times 1/2, which is 1/2. So para then 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So as what we can see is, pwede pa siya maging, I think ang answer natin ito lowest term. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So our final answer here in the equation number 2 is 3. So we have equation number 3, it is 9 times 3/4. So same process ng dapat na gamitin. So it should be 9/1 times 3/4. So 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Then 1 times 4 is equal to 4. So 27/4 is our final answer in equation number 3. So let's move forward to the number 4. We have an equation here which is that 2 and 1/4 times 3 and 1/2. So para maging proper fraction siya, first we have to do is we're going to multiply the denominator and then whole number. So 2 times 4 is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then 9. Then copy the denominator. Then same process pa rin yung gagawin natin para maging proper fraction siya. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 7 over 2, copy the denominator. Then 9 times 7 is equal to 63. And 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 63/8 is our final answer. That's all for you.